Hello everyone. আজি আমি Assamese Art and Culture questions কেইটামান লৈ আনিছোঁ। তো প্ৰথম কুৱেশ্যনটো হ'ল কি In the case of Aido Hondigoy, if the first is Joymoti, what will be the second? তো Aido Hondigoy প্ৰথম ফিল্ম নাম হ'ল জয়মতী। তো সেকেন্ড ফিল্মৰ নাম কি আছিল নো? তো অপচন এ ইন্দ্ৰমালতী, বি গংগা চিলনীৰ পাখি, সি সতী বেউলা আৰু অপচন ডি পিয়লি পিকন। আৰু ইয়াৰ এনসাৰটো গম পাই কি গংগা চিলনীৰ পাখি। Ganga Silani Pakhi was directed by Podum Borua in 1976. The film is based on the novel by Lakshminanda Bora. Next question I will show. Question hol ki what is the name of the Assamese delicious sour food made from ground or crushed mustard? The Assamese delicious sour mane food to uta dise. The option A soyu, option B khorali, option C chutney, option D bamboo shoot pickle. The answer is soyu. Soyu ba kahudi বুলি কোৱা হয়। Kahudi is an Assamese tangy delicious made using mustard paste or crushed mustard seed. It is commonly prepared with raw mango. The mango are usually cut into small pieces and slightly dried in the sun. Next question. The traditional Assamese boat race is known as the Assamese boat race কি বুলি কোৱা হয় নো? Option A regatta, option B shikara, option C bihu, option D holi. এইটো কাম নাই এটা the option A হৈ গল regatta. Regatta is known as naw khel, which is a traditional boat race. Regatta events are organized in the various other riverine regions of Assam, especially during festival. Primarily held in Sualkusi, Borpeta, Patsala, Majuli. এইবোৰ ডিস্ট্ৰিক্টত প্ৰাইমেৰী হোৱা যায় বস্তুটো regatta. Next question. What is the name of the third Assamese film after Joymoti and Indramalti? Joymoti আৰু ইন্দ্ৰমালতীৰ থাৰ্ড ফিল্মখন নাম কিনো? প্ৰতিধ্বনি, সিৰাজ, মনুমতি আৰু ৰূপহী। তো ইয়াৰ এনসাৰটো অপশন সি মনুমতি। Film directed and produced by Rohini Kumar Borua was released in 1941. Manumati was based on a novel on the same name by Rajinikanto Bordoloi. এই কথাটো মনত ৰাখিব দেই, ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট হয়। Next question. The film Hastir Konya is based on whose life and work? The option A Bhogeshwari Fukoni, option B Konaklata Borua, option C Dipali Borthakur, and option D Pratima Pande Borua. The answer to ki option D Pratima Pande Borua. The documentary Hastir Konya based on her life and work won the National Film Award for the Best Biographical Film in 1997. Next question. Lali Hilali Lai is a type of traditional song of তেৰু কোনটো ট্ৰাইবৰ হয় এই সংটো? সোণোৱাল কছাৰী, ৰাভা, কাৰ্বি নে তিৱা? এই কোৱেশ্চন আনসাৰ তিৱা। Lali Hilali Lai songs are also highly energetic and popular traditional song of the Plain Tiwa community. These songs are performed with dances. Next question. Bukani Patani is a traditional custom of which tribe? It is an important question. The option A Ahum, B Sunwal Kosari, option C Kus Rajbangshi, option D Karbi. The answer option C Kus Rajbangshi. Bukani Patani is a traditional custom of Kus Rajbangshi. A cloth draped around the chest and extending down to the knee. Next question. Wangala, the harvesting festival, is celebrated by which of the following community? The option A Jayantia, B Garo, C Karbi, option D Dimasa. The Wangala বুলি ক'লে direct answer Garo. Tawangala is also called the festival of hundreds of drum. Important. A harvesting festival celebrated by the Garo tribe who live in Meghalaya, Nagaon, Assam. Next question. Which ethnic group wear dokhana? তো এইটো সবে গম পাই আনসাৰটো কাৰ্বি নে ৰাভা বড়ো মিচিং তাৰ আনসাৰ বড়ো It is a one-piece garment, typically a wrapped around skirt extended from the chest to the ankle, often secure at the waist. This dokhana is made of cotton fabric in bidon design with variety color of florals. Next question. What is the name of the popular musical instrument of the Boro like flute? So option A Sifung, option B Serja, option C Mam, option D Thorka. The flute বুলি ক'লে option A Sifung. Sifung is a traditional musical instrument of Boro people of Assam. It is a kind of bamboo flute but much longer than the common flute. তো এই কোৱেশ্চনটো এনসাৰ আপোনালোকে দিব কোৱেশ্চনটো হ'ল যে ভূপেন হাজৰিকা won the best music director national award for which of the following? তো অপশন A চামেলি মেমছেপ, অপশন B মেৰিয়া ধৰ্মা মেৰিমা, অপশন C মন প্ৰজাপতি নে অপশন D নান। আৰু যদি বেলেগ কিবা হয় নান যদি হয় যদি ভাবিছে বেলেগ কিবা হয় তে কি ফিল্ম হয় আপোনালোকে কমেন্টত দিব। ধন্যবাদ।